what's up guys, we are back with another video, and today we are going to show you sea view in Port Elizabeth. And like currently I'm driving, so I can't really talk a lot to you guys, so let me shift the camera to Rouge so she will tell you more detail.
Okay, so hey guys, my name's Rouge. I normally do the editing. If you follow him on Instagram, you've probably seen me in the other two videos that he's posted on there. You should definitely go check that out. I'll link it in the description below. Yeah, like I said, I do most of the editing. Let me introduce my brother, Kaif. He's the one who works the drone and some minor editing as well.
Hello, I am Character Zero. I am the drone pilot. In minor editing, not too much, because my sister is the main editor, and yeah, that's me.
Okay. So currently we're driving, as you can see, along the coast. Last video, some people have requested that we show more of Port Elizabeth. So this time we're driving further along the coast to find a different kind of spot to do our drone shot. This time we're going for a cinematic kind of vibe. So let's see what we can come up with. I'll switch over the camera and cue a driving montage.
So guys, আমরা চলে আসছি আমাদের ডেস্টিনেশনে, চলেন দেখাই কই আসছি. So guys, we are at the place. As you can see, it is very beautiful, even though this place is hundreds of years old, and we know this because that cannon over there has been there since 1647. So yeah, this place is old, and because it's by the ocean, it's very windy, so I'm kinda scared to fly my drone, but don't worry, we're gonna get some cinematic and let's see what's gonna happen.
And we're back in the car. We're on our way back home. We just packed up and we got the drone, we took some cinematics, and all that's left is a whole ton of editing for myself. Hopefully Kaif will help me out, right?
Yes, I will.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the final product, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to please leave a like and share with your friends and family.
And subscribe also.
Please subscribe. Okay, also I'll be linking our social media down below. Please give us a follow on there too for more updates on what we're going to do and when we're going to do. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you guys, have a good day.